Hello everyone. Today I am going to tell you some very old stories. These stories are called folk tales. Folk tales are stories told by people long ago. They were told by grandparents, parents, and elders. They did not write them in books first. They spoke them aloud. This book is called Folk Tales from Around the World. It does not have one author. These stories come from many countries, from villages, hills, forests, deserts, and snowy lands. Storytelling was the work of ordinary people. That was their career. They were storytellers. They used stories to teach children how to live. Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, near a green hill, there lived a small rabbit. The rabbit was not too strong, but he was smart. Near the hill lived a big lion. The lion was strong and proud. He scared all the animals. The animals felt afraid. Fear means your heart beats fast and you feel unsafe. The rabbit spoke gently. He said, "Let us think calmly." Calm means staying in a quiet mode. The rabbit used his brain. He did not fight. He spoke wisely. The lion was tricked by his own pride. The animals felt very happy. Happiness is when you feel safe and light inside. This story teaches us that thinking is stronger than fighting. That is why people write stories. Now, let me tell you one more story. In a cold land with snow, there lived two sisters. The younger sister was kind. She shared food. She helped others. The older sister felt jealous. Jealousy means feeling upset because someone else is good or loved. One day, the kind sister helped an old woman. She spoke softly. She helped with love. Later, something good happened. She was rewarded. The older sister tried to copy her, but she was rude. She did not help with kindness. She felt sad later. Sadness is when your heart feels heavy. This story teaches us that kindness brings good things. Story teaches us to be kind and honest. Now, listen to one more story. There was a poor woodcutter. He worked very hard every day. One day, his axe fell into the river. He felt worried. A spirit appeared and asked him a question. She showed him a golden axe. The man said, "No, that's not mine." She showed him a silver axe. Again, he said, "No." Finally, she showed him his old axe. The man smiled because he told the truth. He was rewarded. Honesty means telling the truth, even when it is hard. Stories help us to learn honesty in a very simple way. Now, think about this. Why do people write stories? They write stories to help us learn, to help us understand feelings, to help us become better people. Stories are not just for reading, they are for remembering. They stay in our hearts. Folktales come from many places, but the lessons are the same everywhere. Be kind, be honest, and think calmly. Stories change us slowly, just like growing up. Now, tell me, which story did you like the most today?